welcome to City Mentors. My name is Ketan, and finally the most awaited CAT result has now been out. And I always say that CET के लिए या फिर for any other exam, you won't get that kickstart till the time you literally see your CAT paper. I mean, like that your paper was bad, and but still you expect that I really want to see my percentile. I really want to see my score. Now there are two things, by the way. So number one is that you kickstart with your GDPI. Number two, okay, if you're not really good with CAT score, leave it, no GDPI, directly jump onto CET. In both the scenario, it's actually possible to kind of head for CET and nail it and target JBIMS. Every year I see, again, if you are somebody who's targeting SAT, then that's okay. But if you look at the kind of exams are left now, the CMAT is left, CET is left, MAT and ATMA is also going to be there. But all these four exams, they have the same genre. They do not differentiate और एक दूसरे से वो ज़्यादा अलग नहीं मेरे ख्याल से. So if you look at whatever you want to study right from now, even if you study for CMAT, वो तुम्हें CET में वैसे भी काम आने ही वाला है. So now it's a time that without delaying your preparation anymore, without waiting for anything else, it's a great kickstart for you all to start for CET. Because JBIMS and Signum. So if I talk about JBIMS is that kind of a college which can actually give you a placement, which you can literally kind of not equal I would say, but close to FMS, SPGen's kind of a profile JB has. तो अगर मान लो SPGen नहीं हुआ, FMS नहीं हुआ है, IMKL नहीं हुआ है, you have one more chance कि you can crack JBIMS and still make it up to these kind of colleges. So that's number one. Number two here is that what you have, the next college is Signum. Even Signum is a great college. Definitely it is not going to be in top 10, 15. But yes, you can still aim for, like, you still have a chance कि यार एक decent college में मैं चला जाऊँ. You still have that chance, right? And that's the reason, even if you're somebody who is preparing for GDPI, let's say you're getting a call, you feel that 95-96% है मेरा, and I can expect call from couple of IMs, or let's say category है, couple of IMs का call आ सकता है, या फिर open category, let's say KG Soma, Gym, IMI, TAPMI का call आ सकता है, या फिर Wellinger का call आ सकता है. You can still prepare for GDPI along with your preparation for CET. Because even for CET, you have round about 70 days, which is a good time to even nail JBIMS. I reiterate, like every time in my video, you must have seen, you must have heard this, right? Me saying this, 70-75% error बच्चा भी 99.99 बना है 2019 के CET में. So it is not a rocket science. This exam is actually doable, easy, manageable if you have proper preparation, proper material, proper shortcuts and proper strategies. So guys, now we've been waiting for CAT result. I know आपकी बाकी की exams है, TIS होगा, ZAT होगा, आपका CMAT भी है. Might be you're now waiting for SNAP, or then you will be waiting for ZAT. But मेरे ख्याल से आपने exam दिया है, result आएगा. Don't worry about it. The way you perform, your result will be accordingly. So I don't see that you have to now wait for your other exams result. Once it's done and dusted. Now it's time for you to kind of gear up for CET. You have a good time with you. Make most of the use for this time, because once the day passes, right, once you are in the month of February, the pressure will start building up. That the Feb aa gaya, right? We are already 3-4 days down as far as Jan is concerned. So now is the right time for you all to kickstart with your preparation and make the most out of these whatever 70 days that you have. Again, I'll say this one more time. JBIMS is still possible. You no need to be 99% error of CAT to get 99.99 in CET. It's not like that. Even if you're 80-85% error, right from now, let's say CAT में जो भी गलतियाँ हुआ, अगर उसके ऊपर overcome कर लेते हो, and from today also, if you start with a proper mentorship, with a proper guidance, and with a proper strategy, shortcuts and material, trust me, JBIM is still possible. So only advisor is that जो हो गया, छोड़ दो. You have CET, predominantly Maharashtra का बच्चा लोग, you have CET to target now. Go for it, go for a kill. I will be uploading a couple of more videos on CET front. There are a lot of topics as far as CET is concerned. So we will be talking about these things in a bits and pieces. If not subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe. And tomorrow, which is Sunday, I am taking a workshop. I'm conducting this workshop in Mumbai. So I'll announce my workshops also now. So I'm having this workshop in Mumbai. It's happening at Central Line, which is Matunga, Ruya College at Matunga. So that's the venue finally. The timings are going to be 3 p.m. to 6 p.m. So that's where my workshop is going to be. Registration is free. You can come directly, you can attend the workshop, not a problem, absolutely. So this is going to be tomorrow, this Sunday, 5th of January. 12th of January, I'm going to be in Nagpur. So Nagpur का venue हम आपको बाद में बता देंगे. So 12th Jan Nagpur and 19th January I'm going to be in NASHIK. So like 3 Sundays including कल का, every Sunday I have workshop lined up. नागपुर का and नाशिक का venue आपको बाद में पता चलेगा. But for Nagpur and Nashik, registrations are quite compulsory. The link is given in the description. You will have to register yourself and then you can come and attend. So tomorrow there is going to be a workshop for CET in Mumbai. Trust me, if you attend this workshop, you will not be missing on even a minute of the thing as far as CET is concerned. Because I always say, we had this workshop in Pune, got a great response. We had around about 153 students turning up and the feedback was really phenomenal. So I want you all to take the benefit of these kind of free workshops and gun for JBIMS and start preparing for your CET seriously. Now it's a time for you all. Here I be serious पढ़े होना बहुत जरूरी है. So guys, I'll see you tomorrow in Mumbai. The venue is Ruia College, Matunga. That's it from my side. Thank you so much for watching this video.